Good morning, friends. Today I am going to unbox another very important tool for all the riders or bikers. They must keep this with them to save them on road if the tires get punctured and no mechanic is available in near distance. So here it is. I purchased it few months back. Cost was 300 rupees from Amazon, and now it is selling there in the range of 300 to 400 rupees. So let's start. You can see they have given 5 strips, one puller, one inserter, one rubber synthetic glue, two, and one there is a scissor, you can see, and everything is written or there in the back clearly how to use it. Okay, so this is a very useful thing, because if you go to repair a puncture nowadays, it costs around 70 to 100 rupees in different states of India. So if you buy it for 300 rupees, you can save that money and it lasts long. And these strips you will get in your local automobile market. I also searched it. They are asking 100 rupees for 100 strips, and there is small pack also. 30 strips cost around 15 rupees. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please do support me and subscribe to my channel, and be safe and enjoy your ride. Thank you.